What do I mean when I say we're going to start from big to small and use comments? Here's what I do, and I actually do this sometimes, but I just start typing regular old comments to kind of plan out what I'm going to do. It's sort of like sketching something before you use ink. So I'm going to say, welcome the user. Show the menu choices. So I'm just thinking through in comments what I want to do. Give myself some space here. I'm going to say, get user input on menu choice. So this is where I'm using my input here, I'm putting it into a variable. And then I'm going to if statement to decide which calc to use. Okay, so I've got an if statement. So I'm going to say, if they choose 1, then triangle calc. I'm going to do the area of a triangle or the area of a rectangle. Okay, so I've got if they choose 2, then rectangle. Okay. If they choose anything else, error message. Okay, so there is my big structure. That's kind of the whole flow of the program, right? So they're going to welcome the user. They're going to see a menu. It's going to say, what do you want to do? Press 1 for triangle, 2 for rectangle. And if they choose 1, I'm going to do the triangle calculation. If they choose 2, then the rectangle calculation. Now we know that this is my if statement. These are my branches here, right? So inside there, if I want to continue my comments, so what do I need to calculate a triangle? Base and the height, right? 1/2 base times height. So I'm going to get the base, get the height, calculate it, and then print results. Yeah, so that's the calculated part, right? Base times height times 1/2, or 0.5. So there's one. Now I'm filling in the detailed, right? So if I do this here, get the width, get the height, calculate, print results. Now, basically, I have written out my plan for the whole program here. I could say print error message here if I want to. Here's the nice thing about this, the secondary benefit, right? I don't have to go back and add comments now. If I just write the code that I've already planned for myself, then I have the comments and the code, it's all done.